Caitlin's breakfast on the floor. It's pudding. She just threw it on the floor. There's the spoon. That's... No, Alex, this is your day and I'm filming. Caitlin, why'd you do that?
Because...
Because why?
of a pudding on a bag!
Why'd you throw it on the floor?
On the plate.
What?
On the plate.
That's not nice. Is that nice?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Do you want to clean it up? That's bad. That's really bad.
Nana.
Caitlin.
Nana.
Caitlin.
Nana.
I love you.